You don't need a lot of power to reach around the world. But if your antenna is wrong, your signal won't go anywhere. FT8 is a digital radio mode. Instead of voice, your radio sends short data messages, and software can decode these signals that are far too weak for you to even hear. So it sounds like you can reach anywhere, even with very low power. But here's what most people miss. FT8 does not fix a bad antenna, and it doesn't increase your range. It just makes better use of the signal you already have. In the last few videos, we talked about antenna height and radiation angle. If your antenna is sending energy straight up, your signal goes into the sky and comes back down nearby. That means short distance. But if your antenna sends energy at a low angle, your signal travels much further before returning to Earth. So even with FT8, your antenna still controls the distance. Height, design, and radiation angle are what determine how far your signal actually goes. If your antenna is too low or the angle is too high, FT8 will still struggle. But with the right setup, with even a few watts, your signal can reach around the world. In the next video, I'll show you a system used to track radios, vehicles, even people in real time. And unlike FT8, this one depends heavily on line of sight, which means your antenna setup changes completely. This is Trevor from Telecom Training. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.